Hey guys, what's good? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 4 ways in which you can earn money on Fiverr without having any skills whatsoever. Now, most of you try to make money on Fiverr, but you don't have any skills. And if you don't know what Fiverr is like a freelancing website where like buyer meets seller. And most of the things they sell right there is service. They don't sell products, it's service. For example, if you need a website and you don't know how to create a website, you need someone who can create a website for you. You can head over to Fiverr and pay someone to help you create a website. Now, without wasting much of our time, if you're new to my channel, just smash that red subscribe button and like this video, and go to the comment section and comment Fiverr. Comment the keyword Fiverr. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. Now, the first way in which you can make money on Fiverr is through picture background removal. Right, this is right here. I'm actually using my blog post. This is my website. As you can see right here, it says Web Hustle TV. Web Hustle. Actually, if you want to make money online, then you're in the right place. Also, my channel, if you want to make money online, just smash the red subscribe button and turn on post notification. Now, the first way in which you can make money on Fiverr without like having any skill whatsoever is picture background removal. Now, let me quickly check. Maybe this guy is recording right here. Okay, it's still recording. Now, because this is the second time I'm actually making this video. I've made this video before, but I noticed my microphone was not connected, so I was just speaking to myself. But now I know this recording, so now the first way is picture background removal. Now let's go over to Fiverr and search for I want you guys to stick with me to the end of this video, so that because I'm going to be dropping the last one is going to be like mind-blowing, and one which you can make of money on Fiverr without even doing any work, without putting much work like that on making money online. So now let's search for let me clear this one right here. No, I'm not being gig. I want to type. Now let's type. I don't know why it's lagging. Just bear with me, guys. Why it's doing this? Just like smash the like button and smash the subscribe button. Now let's search for the keyword picture background removal. Oh, I touched the microphone. Picture background removal. I've searched, as you can see, I've searched for it before because this is the second time of making this video. It's loading up. Why is loading? Let me check one more time. Maybe it's still recording. Okay, it's still recording. Don't mind me, guys. It's very painful when you record like a 10 minutes long video and you notice you're just talking to yourself. Now it's loaded up, guys. As you can see, it says this guy right here says I'll remove background and edit it, command product picture. This one right here says I will edit Amazon blah blah blah. I'll remove background. This one says all this about removing background picture. This one says I'll remove background from pictures, and it has made over 592 sales. 592 sales. This one says I didn't know what I clicked on right now. Yeah, this is right. 592 sales, and it charged $5 per removal. This one says I will professionally remove background from a picture. It has made 44 sales. That has made $444 by just removing backgrounds from pictures. And trust me, removing background from pictures is as simple as ABC, as simple as the letters of the alphabet. So remove background picture. This is a website I recommend right here. It's called removal. Just search for removal BG on Google, and I'm going to show you the website in which you're going to go to remove background for picture. You also click on the button. What you're going to do, just upload the picture to the website, click on enter, and the background is going to be removed automatically. Yeah, you're going to maybe you've received a gig and someone like you receive someone that told you to remove the background from the pictures, you just head over to the website, remove the background from the picture, download the image and send it right back to the clients to say on Fiverr, and you get paid immediately guys. So now I don't know why this is lagging. Like, it wasn't lagging the first time I was doing the video. Okay, now this is this is a website here, remove.bg. It's actually remove.bg. There's another one, remover.ai. There are tons of websites, but you can head over to Google and search for picture background removal websites, and you're gonna see tons of websites that will help you remove background from pictures. Now, without further ado, let's move to the second method in which you can make money on Fiverr without having any skill whatsoever. Shoot, I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, let's just head over. Let me cancel this right there. Yeah, this is the website right here. What you're gonna do, just click on upload image, and it's gonna remove the background from the picture like this, like you see right here. It's like this one right here. This one, the background of the picture is gonna remove right here. You see, this is the real background of the picture, but with this way you can remove the background of the picture and send it back to your client and start making money, like cash, guys. Now, the second way in which you can earn money on Fiverr without having any skills is blog commenting. I think, yeah, it's commenting on blog post. Now, this is my website right here. This is a blog post. What I mean by commenting on the blog post is that you just head over to the comment section of any blog. No, not any blog actually, the blog in which you are obliged to comment on, like the client gave you to comment on. Just head over to the blog, read the article and comment a niched blog comment. Now let me head over to Fiverr and search for the keyword like blog commenting. Let me go back. Okay, let me cancel this right here. It's back there. And let me search for, oh shoot, let me refresh it. While it's loading, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and yeah, and subscribe. Let me check this one too. Maybe it's recording because I don't want to be speaking to myself. Okay, it's recording. So now no. Okay. Now let's start with the keyword blog commenting. Enter. Yeah, it's still recording. Okay, good. Guys, bear with me. My laptop is lagging. I'm gonna fix it soon. Well, very soon I'm gonna get a new laptop so I can make better videos. I don't know why it says no result found. Let me search for it one more time. Let me search for it one more time. Blog commenting. Yeah, this blog commenting. Boom. Now, as you can see right here, this one here says I'll write 5 insert words blog comment on your website for $5, and it's 497. He has made 497 sales. He has over $2,000 commenting on blog posts, people's website, just commenting on people's websites. He has made tons of money commenting on people's websites. And if you scroll down more, you can see that a lot of people that are already making money, and you too can join these people and make more money commenting on blog posts. You can make thousands of dollars. Not only thousands of dollars, I'm not just saying, because as you can see right here, this one here has done 273 blog comments, and it charges $5. So if you multiply that by $5, it has made over $1,000 just by heading over to a blog post like this. This right here is my blog post, and just read the blog post and type a comment. Just type a comment and click on publish right here, and it gets paid for it. Now the third way in which you can make money on Fiverr is SEO reports. Now I know most of you don't know what SEO is, and let me head over to Fiverr and search for the keyword SEO reports. Now SEO means search engine optimization. Most people want to rank their website on Google, but they don't know how. So you can give them reports and tell them show them how they can their website optimization, why they are not ranking, and you can also help them rank their website if you're willing to. But this one right here is just mainly SEO report. Just SEO report. Now it says people have made over $1,000 or $60,000. I mean, just giving people SEO report, and trust me, what it's doing is very easy. You just head over to this website right here. It's called SEO Analyzer. What you're gonna do once your client pays you, once your client gives you the website, you're gonna take the website, put the link in this website I'm gonna show you right now. SEO Analyzer. Let me cancel this. Can you enter? Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and like this video. Enter. Oh. It's loading. This is how the website looks like right here. This is what the website looks like. Oh shoot, I went down too fast. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Yeah, this is what the website looks like right here. You just head over to the shade bar, paste the website and click on preview. Then you're going to get the report, the SEO report, and submit it to your client and you get paid. Now the last but not the least, is called Fiverr affiliate program. That's why I told you guys to stick with me to the end of this video, because this one right here is actually not a gig on Fiverr. You can earn money on Fiverr promoting Fiverr. Like what I've written in my blog right here, it says Fiverr affiliate program is a program in Fiverr in which you can earn money by referring people to Fiverr. When the person registers on Fiverr through your special affiliate link, you'll be getting a commission when the person purchases any service on Fiverr. Now how this works is that when you send traffic to Fiverr, when you register on the Fiverr affiliate program, you're going to get a special affiliate link, and when you send traffic to the affiliate link, people register and buy anything on Fiverr, you're going to get a commission. This commission you can withdraw it once you've reached the threshold for commission, and you're making money on Fiverr without having to do any work whatsoever. You don't even have to perform any tasks, you don't have to do any gig. You make money on Fiverr just like refer people on Fiverr. You can use Quora, you can use Facebook, you can send the link to your friends. Maybe you see you have someone who is looking for like a voiceover artist, or someone is looking for someone to like create a website for him or her. You can send the person to Fiverr. Once the person registers to your link and purchases anything on Fiverr, it's gonna you're gonna get a commission. So the link to this website actually be in the description below, so you can go read it and learn more. Like right now I'm stressed out by talking because I've made this video before, and like I'm saying what I've said before, I'm saying it again, so like I'm stressed out. So I'll leave the link in the description below. You can go read it out, and link to Fiverr will be in the description below. If you're new to Fiverr, you can click the link below and register on Fiverr so as to get a commission on anything you purchase on Fiverr. And if you have any question whatsoever, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer you. With that said, I will see you in my next video. Let's go. Peace.